my channel. It's Kimberly and I am coming at you today from my temporary studio. Yes, for those of you who don't know, in the past 2 weeks I've been moving and it's incredibly messy and I just cannot even begin to explain, but I've been moving, so I wasn't able to post videos or to film or anything like that, but I was getting withdrawal effects. I kid you not. I really, really love filming and making videos and just the whole production. I love it. And I had to just, set up my studio and just film. This video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I am doing a fall makeup look. Yes, so if you want something fresh and new for fall, stick around. You might see some products that you're like, hey, I want that, or hey, that looks great. So stick around. I'm mainly going to be using this Maybelline palette. This video is not sponsored. I don't know why. Maybelline, call me. I'm using mainly the Maybelline palette, this Maybelline palette, and it's called Total Temptation, and it's a shadow and highlight palette. So it has your eyeshadows in it and the highlighter too, which we're going to use and see how we like it. Now, this is what the palette looks like. And the idea I had in mind was to do like a pale pink eye and brown, perfect for fall lips, So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. One more. No, not one more. Okay, bless me. Anyway. Yeah, so I was a little bit worried that these shades are going to be a little too light for my skin tone, but we're going to see what gives, if it works. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. You won't regret it, I promise. Lots of crazy fun over here. Let's just get busy with this. Sit back, relax, grab a drink, grab those chips and that popcorn, and let's get the show on the road. Okay, enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to do are my eyebrows, and I'm going to use Covergirl's Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Rich Brown. So here we go. And lately I really like to keep my brows as natural as possible. So I'm not going to overdo it. And the same thing that goes for makeup brushes goes for pencils. If you hold the pencil a little further away from the tip, you'll get a lighter result. And if you hold it closer, you're able to press harder on the pencil, so it'll be a little more potent or a little more vibrant and fierce. There. Then I'm going to prime my eyelids with the ProConceal concealer from LA Girl Cosmetics. I'm just doing it real quick, guys. For those of you who know me, I like quick, easy fixes. But when you touch your eyes, always make sure you do it very lightly. And there you go. Now we're going to start with the palette, and the first shade I'm going to apply all over my lid is going to be this light shade up here. And this is just like a brow lifter. There. Next, I'm going to apply this second shade all over my lid. Super light. I think it has like speckles of glitter in it. Next, I'm gonna work this pinkish color here into the crease of my eye. Oh, I do like this color a whole lot more than that shimmery shade. So I'm just gonna put it all over here. I'm gonna kind of go over it because I like this a lot better. Way better coverage. Okay, we got a lot of fallout here. And I don't like that shimmery shade, but I'm gonna go with it and see how it goes. Now, the last shade I'm gonna apply is that black shade, and that is gonna go above my eyelid. We're just gonna make it like a, I don't know, we'll make something out of it, right? I don't know. And as you guys can see, I'm just winging it here. Okay, next I'm going to line my eyes with this Rimmel eyeliner. I'm not doing what do you call it? A wing or anything. I'm just gonna lining the top of my eyes. There. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Oh, well, we are going to go with Covergirl's Exhibitionist mascara. Just a quick coat. Doesn't really matter how it looks because we're gonna cover them up with lashes. I'm gonna leave underneath my eyes. I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna apply eyeliner on my waterline because I don't want it to be too heavy since my lips are also gonna be quite heavy. There. Now I'm gonna apply the lashes, just simple Ardell lashes, and then I'll be right back and finish up with the lips. Okay, so I popped on the lashes with my fingers, so I'm not even gonna say anything, but we're just gonna go with it. For the lips, I'm gonna try Maybelline's Infallible or Infallible, I'm not sure. Le Chocolat. Fabulous. Let's see if it's actually fabulous. Okay. It's very creamy. I'm going to try to apply this highlighter, the pink one, just to add a little more color. I hope it's not going to be too shimmery, but we'll go for it. Here we go. I think it'll be okay. Oh, I actually do like this. And I don't mind that you actually see it. I mean the pinkish shade, because I kind of like that. Well, babes, this is the final look. About the palette, I would rate it a good 7 out of 10. I do have to say there is a lot of fallout and I didn't like that shimmery shade in there, but I do love the other colors. And I think it's okay for $8. You know, I thought it was a really nice palette. I'm not going to say anything negative about it, aside from the fact that, you know, there's fallout and the shimmery shade and all. That's just my personal preference. But maybe you do like it, so maybe you should check it out and maybe you will like it. But I give it a 7. And if you know me, you know that is really, really high because I am really, really critical of my makeup. And for $8, I think this is a okay buy. I'm not going to say it's a great buy, but it's an okay buy. You won't be disappointed or completely, you know, oh, I can't use it or anything like that, because you will be able to use it. Now, the lipstick. I wasn't going to review this lipstick. I was just going to put it on. But I like it so much that I had to say something about it, okay? I absolutely 100% love. I give it a good 8 out of 10. I love the color. How crazy. Nothing, guys. Nothing. Wow. I do love the color. I love the fact that it doesn't come off. And yeah, it feels really nice on your lips. It doesn't feel dry or anything. Well, guys, that was my video for this week. I'll be back again next week with a new video. Make sure you come check it out again. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a fabulous weekend.